Hey everyone, if you've ever sent an email and noticed the wrong name showing up beside it, maybe an old one, a nickname, or even a typo, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your email display name in Outlook step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account like you normally do. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon, that little circle with your picture or initials. A small menu will appear. You'll see two options, My Microsoft account and My Profile. Go ahead and click on My Profile. This will open a new page showing your account information. On the right side, you'll find the Edit Name button. Click on it, and now you can change how your name appears to others when you send an email. Simply type in your new first and last name, then complete the small CAPTCHA below. That's just a quick security check to confirm it's really you. Once you've done that, hit save. And that's it. You've successfully updated your display name in Outlook. The next time you send an email, your new name will appear to your recipients. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep an eye out for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.